If there was one type of exercise that you could do that would slow down the unflattering weight distribution that happens over 40 and improve your overall health, would you do it? Lucky you, lucky me, there is. Today, I am going to share with you the optimal exercises for us over 40 by giving you the 3-day workout routine that kinda saved my life. My grandmother passed away due to diabetic-related complications. So when the doctor told me that I was pre-diabetic in my 30s, these exercises, along with nutritional dietary changes, put a stop to that progression and helped me lose over 80 pounds. This 3-day outline is comprised of only 4 exercises. You're going to need to have access to some dumbbells though, okay? Overall, it's that simple. Here's my disclaimer. If in your heart of hearts, you are looking for the roadmap to washboard 6-pack abs, this video, it's not that. Now, if you are looking for wellness solutions to help this phase of life feel not so crappy and less foreign, this is the space for you. Over here, we're looking to maintain our health within a healthy weight range for us based on our unique body type and have a waistline that is within the medical standards of 35 and below. If you're on board with that, then these conversations are for you. These are the exercises that you're going to want to jot down and schedule to plan to do throughout your day, 3 days a week. That's it. You ready? First, dumbbell squats. The risk of falling increases as we age. Strengthening our quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core can help us avoid that state of being. Aim to do each of the exercises 3 times, doing each motion somewhere between 8 to 10 times. Next, dumbbell rows. Did you know that poor posture can cause our bodies to redistribute weight and deactivate our core muscles? Dumbbell rows counteract the disadvantages of sedentary living by strengthening the upper back area, lat, and biceps. Next, dumbbell deadlifts. Ever bent down to pick something up and felt a twinge in your back or threw your back out entirely? Exercises like deadlifts that strengthen our spinal bone, muscles, and tendons in the surrounding area can help with that tremendously. Select a size dumbbell that doesn't feel too intimidating. Jot that number down in a notebook. Progress happens best when we have a record of the exercises you did, size of the weight used, and how many times or repetitions you were able to accomplish. Then we have dumbbell shoulder press. I don't know about you, but I want to be able to lift my hands, grab things from a top shelf in the cabinet, and not tear a rotator cuff. For these exercises, you can do the squat, row, deadlift, and shoulder press, rest, and then repeat. Or you can do 3 sets of 1 of each of the exercises and then move on to the next exercise and do that 3 times within that 8 to 10 repetition range. And so on and so on. Now, day 2. Dumbbell lunges. Let me ask you, now that you're over 40, have you noticed yourself tripping more over air and just stumbling in general? Whether it's due solely to aging or hormonal shifts that come with aging, holding something heavy in our hands while lunging can improve our balance so we can catch ourselves, preventing toppling over. Next, dumbbell step-ups. Stairs. Sometimes we still have to use them, right? Elevators and escalators are not everywhere, making stability, balance, coordination important. Enough said. Dumbbell glute bridges. Wouldn't it be great if small everyday tasks felt easier? Think getting out of bed, climbing stairs, bending over to pick things up without tweaking our backs. Glute bridges to the rescue. Plus, tightening up the backside view? Come on, what's not to like about that? Just makes all the clothes fit and look so much better. Russian twist. You've seen it. People who plop down to sit or sit slouched. That comes from weak core muscles. Russian twist is one of several viable options we have to strengthen our upper body to sit with supportive posture. Don't skip these. Day 3. Dumbbell bicep curls. Think for a minute. Is your hand strength, the grip, is it starting to slip a bit? Bicep curls can help with that by improving our forearm strength, stabilizing elbow health to brace ourselves in the event that we should find ourselves heading down. Dumbbell tricep extensions. You know our arms, the front and back region is made up of several parts or heads. Tricep extension work the back area for that strong, solid 3D look. Then we have dumbbell hammer curls. Angela Bassett arms. Need I say more? dumbbell chest press. The girls, they may not be standing at full attention, and chest flies can counter the gravitational pull, sparing our upper back from strain and pain. This routine is designed to be done for 6 weeks. By week 7, on that week, use that week to recover, walking, stretching, practicing stillness. And by week 8, I will have a new 3-day routine for you. So be sure you are subscribed and have your notifications turned on. I don't want you to miss it. As a thank you for spending this time with me, I've included an outline of the routine in the comment section for your convenience. Grab that and I'll see you here next.